Scorpions are fascinating creatures that have been around for a very long time. They're also scary as hell. Here are 10 amazing facts about scorpions to help you understand these scary bugs a little bit better. Number 10. They've been around for a very long time. The fossil record indicates that scorpions first appeared over 300 million years ago during the period known as the Mississippian. That was during the Carboniferous, which lasted from around 359 to 299 million years ago. The oldest known scorpion fossil was discovered in the state of Kansas in 1947 and was named after the famous paleontologist that found it, Halanaspis americana. Since then, several other species of fossil scorpions have been found. All of them are now part of the order called the Scorpionidae, with one family being the extinct one. But the good news is that new species of scorpions are still being discovered. In 2020, a new species of scorpion was found in the mountains of northern Vietnam. It was given the name Anchirospinus mayan. Not only is it a newly discovered species, but it's also the first of its kind to be found in the mountains of that country. Number 9. There are hundreds of species of scorpions. To date, scientists have identified over 2,000 species of scorpions worldwide. These species can vary greatly in size and appearance, but they all have two main body regions, the prosoma or cephalothorax and the metasoma or tail. Also, they all have 8 legs, 2 of which are used for sensory purposes. And fun fact, they don't have any natural enemies except for humans. No, 8. They're not insects. Despite their somewhat bug-like appearance, scorpions are actually arachnids, which means they're more closely related to spiders, mites, and ticks than they are to insects. One way to tell if a creature is an insect is by checking to see if it has 3 body segments, 6 legs and 2 antennae. If it doesn't, then it's not an insect. Scorpions have 2 body segments, 8 legs, no antennae, so they can't be insects. Number 7. Their venom is dangerous. Most scorpions have venom, and some of them can be deadly to humans. The amount of venom that a scorpion can inject into its victim varies depending on the species. The deathstalker, which is a type of scorpion found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, can deliver up to 10 milligrams of venom in a single sting. This is enough to kill an adult human. However, there are antidotes available for most of the venomous scorpion stings. So, if you do get stung, seek medical attention immediately. No 6. They have a unique way of getting their food. Instead of chewing their food, scorpions often use their pedipalps to hold their food while they digest it. Their venom is injected into the food, which begins to break down the insides of the prey. Once the food is soft enough, they suck it up through their mouths. Number 5. They glow under a black light. Scorpions have a natural ability to fluoresce under a black light. This is because their exoskeletons contain a high concentration of chitin, which is a substance that reflects ultraviolet light. Scientists aren't exactly sure why this is beneficial to the scorpions, but it is thought that it may help them camouflage themselves from predators, or it may make them more visible to their prey. Whatever the reason, it does make them pretty easy to spot when you're using a black light. No, for they can live in a variety of habitats. There are many different types of scorpions, and they can be found all over the world. Some prefer to live in dry, hot climates like the desert, while others prefer to live in humid environments like rainforests. No matter where they live, scorpions need a source of water in order to survive. They typically get the water they need by eating insects and other small animals. No, 3, they're nocturnal. Scorpions are mostly nocturnal creatures, which means they're active at night and sleep during the day. This is because they're cold-blooded and need to bask in the sun in order to warm up. They're also less likely to be seen by predators if they're active at night. No, 2, they're solitary creatures. Scorpions are generally solitary creatures and only come together to mate. They're also fiercely territorial and will fight if they feel threatened. Mating between 2 scorpions usually doesn't last very long, but it is interesting to note that the male scorpion will sometimes perform a sort of dance before mating in order to please the female. No one, they can live for a long time. The average lifespan of a scorpion is about 3 to 6 years, but some have been known to live much longer. One species of scorpion found in the deserts of North Africa is known to live for up to 25 years. That's the same as a human living to be 70 or 80 years old. The longevity of scorpions is thought to be due in part to their slow metabolism and ability to control the rate at which they age. Now it's time to hear from you. Which fact about scorpions did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. See ya!